I'm Barbara, I'm from Italy, and I just finished my 200 hours Ashtanga Yoga Teacher's Training. Definitely building up your sequence and becoming comfortable in teaching sequence to people and try to really communicate what's in your mind and what's inside you, what your creativity, what your soul wants to express, and communicate it right to the people in front of you, really paying attention to them instead of just being absorbed in your own thoughts. And well, we had so many hours of student teaching, which really prepared me well for the final and hopefully for the rest of my teaching in life. Oh, meditation and pranayama and the guidance of Vishu for sure. And all the amazing souls and people that I found here. The routine we got into was so precious, and I'm gonna miss pretty much people, the training, the meditation, the jungle and the monkeys and the coconuts falling during yoga lesson, everything pretty much. Just this morning, after we all kind of finished our exam, I got really inspired by a teacher here, by Robin. I got really emotional thinking about not having her guidance anymore, and a group of fellows just came to hug me, and we were all sharing this emotion together. And it's not over yet, so looking forward for the closing ceremony. Coming here, I realized I had no real understanding of what yoga actually is, and the word, it opened up like a new world of spirituality, and it's just like I think for me it's just a first taste of what's coming. It's a lifelong journey that I'm looking forward to take, and I want to definitely go deeper into the philosophy that's behind all the asanas, which we have fun in doing in the Western world, which train our body for sure, and it's something that I really appreciate and I like about asanas. But the spirituality and the connection with my inner child, with the Ishwara and all these kind of things, it's what I'm really looking forward to explore and to understand within myself. There is no really external guide apart from real yogis. Every one of them was so inspiring, really. Like they all have their own style, and it's super amazing to see how different they are, how human they are, how they also sometimes forget some little things, but like how fun they can make the classes, how can they all inspire you in a different way, just bringing their own personality in front of you without any facade or without any filter. And that has been like what I'm gonna take home with me the most. Like really, like what makes a great teacher and what everyone here had is just be yourself, bring yourself in the room and be there for the people in front of you, and be willing to learn constantly. Even if you're the one teaching, you can learn so much from the people in front of you. Has changed me like from the inside, really. Probably not so much from the outside, but like the way I see life, the way I'm gonna ask question to myself from now on, the patience that I hope I'm gonna gain, and the kindness. This like everything could be found inside of me, and I didn't know, and everything can be found inside of everyone. And we are also blind and unaware, and we just don't know. And coming here opened up really a new world, which I couldn't imagine. And I'm sure for everyone it will be a different experience, but for sure, life changing and for the better.